Good day, this is Michael with Iconasys. Today we'll be doing a real-time workflow video communicating, shooting a gemstone in 360, more specifically a colored gemstone. We're working with our newest jewelry photography lightbox, Canon EOS 60D, 60mm lens, and our jewelry USB turntable. Our ShutterStream 360 software will be controlling the entire workflow. I've just actually hit live view, and that's actually a real-time preview. You can see my fingers going back and forth in front of the camera there. First thing that we're going to notice, it is quite dark. So we're going to change some of our camera settings. So you can change your shutter speed, your aperture, your ISO, as well as your white balance to optimize your camera settings for your lighting. As you can see, as I make changes, it is showing me the results in real time. So that looks pretty good there. What I'm actually trying to do is shoot this stone at maximum color accuracy. So overall that looks very good right there. So let's enter into our next step. It is going to be ensure our positioning is being correct for our object. I'm going to hit the start preview button, and that's going to pre-rotate our subject. I'm visually watching to ensure our object spins in the center of the turntable. The next thing that I'm doing is pre-cropping my subject, meaning it's only going to take a picture of what's inside this area that I defined. I've chosen to crop to a perfect square, so that's going to shoot at a image at a 1:1 ratio. Looks like we did a very good job positioning our object there. Let's just do a little quick pre-snap here. We're going to look for two things. Again, the overall color of the stone to be shooting at color accuracy, and overall we're going to look at the focus. Looks like we're doing good on both. If you did need to adjust your focal point, you can actually toggle to manual focus, and you can start to make changes to your focal point using these focal point arrows. As you can see, things are getting blurry or they're becoming more clear as I make these changes. And the other option would be to adjust your focal point by twisting your lens, or the focal ring on your lens, near and far. So overall that looks quite good. What I'm going to do here is just delete both of these images, as we won't need them anymore, and we're going to enter into our 360 shooting mode. You can shoot up to 200 individual frames should you wish. For the purpose of the demo, what I'm actually going to do is just shoot 36 frames. Then I will hit the start button. Now that is going to automate our entire workflow in a turn, stop, snap manner. This is completely automated. 36 frames should only take about 1 minute and 20 seconds with our jewelry USB turntable. Okay, so we're nearing up our capture sequence completion. As we can see there, 360 image capture completed. I'm going to select all my images using the select all button, enter into the editing tool. A lot of people do require white backgrounds, and I'm going to show you that is very easy with just using our levels tool inside of the software. So that's one little adjustment there. You can see it makes a change. I'm also going to increase our sharpness just a tad, and let's just hit apply to all here. We do have additional features and functionality in our editing tools, such as white balance, color temperature, tint, hue adjustment. Those are all pretty good tools, especially when shooting colored stones, just to, again, get your maximum color accuracy. So just understand that those are options available. Now we've completed our batch editing step. What we're going to do is go ahead and output these. So we're going to call this purple stone 360. And you can choose to resize. Maybe we want to resize all these to, say, 1,000 pixels wide. Okay, we're going to save it to our images folder. It's going to batch rename, batch resize. You can even watermark with your own company logo stamped on if required. Now that we're done our batch output step, we're going to go ahead and we will take a look at the folder where we output. We can see all our images right here. I'm going to batch select them, and what I'm going to do is open up our 360 View Creator application and drag and drop that set of images in here. What this is going to do is this is going to create our interactive 360 view. Outputs do include HTML5, an MP4 file with an interactive aspect in it, as well as just a standard MP4 video file. As you can see, my click and drag left and right. There's our product that we just shot here. I'm just going to call this 360 purple stone. We're going to output it to our images folder, I guess. And you do have full control if you want to change the buttons, you know, the style, all that sort of stuff. You have full control. I'll just hit our save button here. And we'll go and take a look at the folder where it would have output. 360 purple stone, we can see right here. And let's take a look at the output file here. Let's take a look at the iframe. Now these files can be easily hosted on your own server and embedded into your website directly. So that's kind of how our solutions work. Very fast, efficient, very easy, DIY. Let us know if you have any questions. Again, the company name is Iconasys. Thank you.